Apocrypha of the New Testament from the 23rd of the 6th month of 1448. Long have people turned to lectionaries. Other gospels are not really any more of pseudo-epigraphy. Partial accounts still lead to regret when they speak of the heavenly, which epistle is sometimes lost, but it comes through intellectually. Some comes through as the neglected are secret prophecies. Other understandings and practices come through apostolically. Of the apocryphal is more meaning to Jesus and Mary. General believers would reject them for the orthodoxy. What if what was sent is true in its heresy? Eventually, all can repent and live perfectly. It starts with a goal to be pure religiously, corruptible in the physical as we may be. I decided not to list off 80 or so non-canonical gospels. And I don't have an idea how many letters and epistles to possibly include. For example, there was a third book of Corinthians that was not included.